Hey guys, welcome to my new YouTube channel. This channel will mainly be on retail breaks, mainly tops and baseball. A little bit of backstory on me. I'm 18. I just got back into card collecting. I used to do it a lot as a kid, but now I'm just back into it. I mainly collect Tigers stuff, so any Tigers cards that come out of this, I'll probably be keeping that for in my PC. So let's get right into this. So this is Topps Crome Baseball. Comes with 7 packs. 7 packs and 1 bonus pack of sepia refractor cards. I've only opened 1 blaster of this so far. Came out last week, I believe. So here are the packs. Let's get this. There we go. Here's the sepia pack. We'll keep that for last. Let's get this trash out of the way. And here we go. Topps Crome Baseball. So, oh, sweet. First card, JD Martinez. That'll be going in the PC. It's a nice card. Future Stars. Jay Bruce. Miguel Sano, Perspectives. It's a nice insert there. And Rob Refsnyder, rookie. I also like to collect all the rookie cards. So, yeah. Alright, second pack. Mookie Betts. A refractor rookie of Daeho Lee. Mike Fultonowicz, I believe that's how you say his name. And Corey Kluber of the Red Hot Indians. Sadly, they're in first place of the division right now. Tigers are 3 games back, so we can still make a comeback. Third pack, I believe. Adam Jones. Jock Peterson, Future Stars. Carlos Carrasco, Future Stars, X-Fractor. It's a nice card. And Garrett Richards. Fourth pack. Daeho Lee again, rookie card. Andrew McCutchen, Perspectives. Let's see if we can. Is it focused? Alright, Andrew McCutchen. Jeff Samardzija. And Zach Lee, rookie card. Next pack. Oh, shoot. Camera fell. Just a second, guys. Alright, sorry about that. Little low budget camera work here. Alright. Freddie Freeman. Hunter Pence. Future Stars, Chris Bryant. It's a nice card. It's not numbered, I don't believe. Nope. And Masahiro Tanaka. Next pack. Carlos Gomez, sliding. Freddie Freeman, refractor. Chris Davis. And Miguel Sano, rookie card. He's doing pretty well. Last pack, and then the sepia. Rougned Odor. Johnny Cueto, refractor. I don't think these are numbered. No, they're not numbered. Trace Thompson. I believe that is Klay Thompson's brother, rookie card. And Miguel Almonte, rookie card. So a lot of rookies, a lot of nice cards in this blaster so far. Not too bad. No, nothing crazy like an autograph or anything, but decent. All right, here are the sepias. Maybe we get like a Corey Seager or something. Something's good. Oh, look at that. Sweet. First card, Justin Upton of the Tigers. PC. Brandon Phillips. Prince Fielder, recently retired. Used to be on the Tigers. And Joey Ricard, rookie card. So, that's the break. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time.